Good morning, students. How are you? Okay. It is your social science period, economics, chapter 1, the story of village Palampur. The story of village Palampur. You have studied about more things of Palampur in previous periods. Today we shall study about the topic non-farm activities in Palampur. We have seen that the main activity of the people of Palampur is farming. It means the people of Palampur mostly earn their living by working in the fields. Means farming activities. They earn their living from farming activities. Today we shall study about non-farm activities in Palampur. To understand non-farming activities, it is necessary to us to understand farming activity. The activities that done by a person or persons to grow different crops, like the activity of cultivation, sowing of seeds, weeding, irrigation, using fertilizers, insecticides, pesticides for the protection of the crop, and in harvesting, etc., are called farming activities. Now I try to understand you about the non-farming activities. A person or persons are not involved in above farming activities. It means the people, those are not involved in above farming activities, those have been told you, means irrigation, cultivation, sowing of seeds, using of fertilizers, insecticides, pesticides, harvesting, means in all these activities, those persons are not involved to earn their living, but they earn their living from other sources. It means they are not involved in farming activities, but they involved in other activities like dairy farming, poultry, pig farming, rearing of goats and sheep, production of jaggery, shoemaking, blacksmithy, pottery, shopkeeping, transporting, etc. These activities are known as non-farming activities. You know that it is necessary for all of us to earn our living. In this way, most of the person of Palampur involved in farming activities to earn their living, and about 25% of the people of Palampur engaged in non-farm activities to earn their living, and also few person involved in small scale industry in Palampur. After then we shall study about small scale manufacturing industry in Palampur. To understand about small scale industry, it is necessary to understand about large scale manufacturing industry and manufacturing industry. Manufacturing industry is a place where goods are manufactured with the help of factors of production and using raw material. I told you about factors of production. What are factors of production? Land, labor, physical capital and entrepreneur. Land, labor, physical capital and entrepreneur is needed for the production of any kind of goods. In this way, we say that each and every industry needs factors of production like land, labor, physical capital and entrepreneur. Without all these, there is no production. That is why it is necessary, means factors of production are necessary to manufacture in any industry, to manufacture goods in any industry. Industry is a place where goods are manufactured with the help of factors of production and using raw material. Large scale industry. Large scale industry is a place where their goods are manufactured in large quantity with the help of factors of production and using raw material. Large scale industry means big scale industry, बड़े पैमाने पर. It produce goods in a large quantity. That is why it also needs more resources like land, labor, physical capital and good entrepreneurship. The example of large scale industries are textile industries, sugar industries, iron and steel industries, motor industries, etc. Now I want to teach about your main topic, small scale industry. Small scale industry is a place where their goods are manufactured or prepared in small scale. Small scale industry is a place where goods are manufactured or prepared in small scale with the help of small capital, family members, or few hired laborers. And also, if they needed, use small machines for their production. Mostly in small scale industry, work done by hands. Sometimes they use, means manufacturer use small and traditional machines also. Small scale industry also a kind of cottage industry. Those done they in their homes with the member of the family. For example, बीड़ी इंडस्ट्री, टोबैको इंडस्ट्री, कारपेट इंडस्ट्री, बैंगल इंडस्ट्री इन फिरोजाबाद, बनारसी साड़ीज ऑफ वाराणसी, बनारस, etc. About 30 families are engaged in various trade of small scale industry in Palampur. These are like cottage industry which are manned by the member of the family. Small scale industry as cottage industry. स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री मीन्स निम्न पैमाने का उद्योग. कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री मीन्स कुटीर उद्योग, जो उद्योग लोग अपने घरों पर करते हैं और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करते हैं अपने हाथों से, और पूरी व्यवस्था लगभग परिवार के मेंबर के द्वारा होती है. इन रेयर केसेस पीपल आर हायर्ड फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. In Palampur, Gorelal started Dari, means carpet weaving. Moti Singh manufactures bed sheets. Bhure involved in shoe making. Motilal producing jaggery and buys sugar cane from farmers. Motilal buys sugar cane from farmers and produces jaggery and sell them in the market. In this way, the people of Palampur involved to earn their livings in farming activities, non-farming activities, and small scale industries. Okay, thank you.